Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Chill Guy and Skibidi Toilet as one character. So let's get started. Alrighty, we're going to go over a mixture between Chill Guy and Skibidi Toilet. So let's get started, okay? So right now we're going to start with kind of the flat part of Chill Guy's head. Just kind of line across right there. Curve around the corner over here. Down right here. And we're going to go right here and about that far. So right here we're hitting the ear. That up, back, down. Line over, up, back, down. Curve over here now, pull down. And pull down on this side. Curve underneath. Alright, so far so good. Alright, we're digging this. We're going to go over here to the nose, by the way. We're going to kind of go into that shape, right? Because the Chill Guy has a really big kind of eraser-looking nose. And we're going to curve something like that. Next thing we do is we're going to fill it in. That's probably the easiest thing you can do as far as, like, I would say if you're using pencil, it might be easier, but it's really up to you. I'm not really sure what you guys are up to or any of that, but that'd probably be the best way to do that. Right over here. Right on. And let's go and draw the eyes. So circle right here on one side. Circle over here on the other side. Line, line. Curve line over here for the eye. Curve line over here for the eye. And line across. And line across. Right on. Curve right there from underneath. So we got Chill Guy's head. Looked pretty good, I think. So we're going to go right here, give him the little collared shirt, or the collar on the sweater, and a line down. Now we're going to do the Skibidi Toilet part. So we're going to go over here, curve line underneath, out over there, out over there, right on. We're going to throw another curve on this side, and another curve on this side. Okay. Keep curving around this side right here, curve up, and line right there. Over here, out, over here, out. Downward right here, downward right here. Line down, line down. All right, so far so good. We're kind of getting that porcelain bowl. Yep, we are doing this. By the way, if you have any suggestions, let me know. If there's some sort of, like, interesting mixture you want to see, because this one was a suggestion. So I do a lot of suggestions. So just suggest a mixture and I can try to make it happen. All right, go over here. So line down right there, and we're kind of more or less just kind of following the shape of that bowl. Curve line underneath and line over here. Let's go over here this side. Line down, line down. Sweet. Really excellent. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the back of the bowl. We're going to go over here, like, up. Up over here. Right there, right? We're kind of like, it looks almost like a sunset, but it's obviously not a sunset. All right. And if you want to do it in chunks, you can do it in chunks. I know sometimes it's kind of hard. Well, obviously right here we have to, imagine the line behind there, and you want to catch it on the other side, because I know some people will kind of do this and then just start it over here. And you don't want to do that. You want to make sure you kind of more or less looks continuous, right? So just ballpark it and you'll be fine. But If you have an issue with this curve right here, you don't have to do it all in one curve. You could do it like that, leave it like so, and just kind of pick it up and continue it like so. Now we want to go over here, and so on the seat there tends to be these little knobs so that it doesn't slam onto the toilet seat really hard and make a giant noise, although it still does. Circle right there. So a little knob. Circle right there. Keep going over here. Circle right here. Circle right here. Circle right here, and circle right here. So you got all that stuff in that area right there. Okay. Next thing is we're going to go over here, straight line across, line, line, curve, curve, and we're going to go over here. I like to kind of pinpoint, like, by the way, we're doing the tank in the back. That's what we're doing now. So go over here maybe, and I like to pull the line down to that, but you can do either way. And just kind of like take a guess over here. And draw another line up right here. So far, so good, okay? We're almost through it. Good stuff. Don't forget to check out the stuff in the description. A lot of free, cool tools in there for you to use. If you do download some of the free stuff from the Gumroad, you know, absolutely leave a review if you can. It really helps out. And now we're going to draw a flat side of the tank right there, and we're going to guesstimate where it's going to end up on the other side. What you could do is do that, lift up your hand, but still slide it across, and then just pick it up over here. That could totally be something you do. Gonna go over here and curve up a little bit more, and then we're gonna curve in like so. And then I'm also, same thing, I'm gonna pick it up over here on this side. Curve over here. Over here on this side. Curve down, down, line over here. See where the toilet flushes there. And circle right there for kind of the flushing mechanism. So something else we could do, you don't have to do this all the time, but I like doing this, is drawing like a line right there, like a wiggly line. Duplicate that wiggly line, and it kind of has like a tube, right? For, I don't know, the stuff that it does. You can put it on both sides, or you can put it on one. If you want, you can put it on both sides right there, maybe a different shape on that side. Line over here, and you can go over here and throw these little notches into it. I appreciate you watching. You're amazing. Please share the video if you did like it. It's always fun to do that. Hit the like if you did enjoy it. One thing I want you to do is I want you to stay right here, though, because we're going to move into a different drawing lesson, okay? So let's move into a different drawing lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.